There we go on the replay now. I always like to watch the replays. You like to watch the rear tires. How much do they squat? How much do they bounce around? Monica goes a little high right there, come down a little hard, ready to block in. You can see the dirt flying off the tire. Let's inject the replay. Oh, he was working right there at that end. That front end was up just right. Class started in 2002 and only two people. Greenhouse, flowering, plant production. Bet he was busy this week getting the flowers out for him, Bill. He was. Good running.
looks like it is.
Yeah.